Good afternoon. This is Brent Crandall with the Blind Depot. We are out here in Allen today. It's one of our favorite neighborhoods. We have a home this is a west-facing exposure, and thank goodness for us they have this lovely little pergola to give me some shade for right now. But we've been working in the sun for a good chunk of the day. We were able to put some universal screens on this to shield them from this harsh west sun. Those three windows on your left are actually windows this time. It's not just a porch. The window on the right is the master bedroom, but we have this lovely little Somfy remote right here, and we can hit a button and make sure that's on channel 4. Now, all of these will raise. Now, unfortunately, supply chain issues being what they are, we've got a little bit of an issue getting doors. So this is a really cool application of this customer actually glassed in the porch. So not only can he effectively screen it with these, it's not really for insect control this time, it's just for a solar control. The glass keeps that porch nice, and the shade keeps it nice and shaded. And the nice thing is, I don't know if you can tell from in here, they've got a little mini split air conditioning system right there, so they can actually keep that entire porch cool. So it's a pretty cool little application. Would love to see it when it actually has doors. We'll get to that, I'm sure. But Universal MotionScreens using Phifer Suntex 95 fabric blocks 95% of that UV as well. So I'm going to try to drop these one more time before the thermal limits on the motors kick in. It is 98 degrees out here in Dallas today. And it looks like we thermaled that one already. So that one's not going to drop for us. That is to protect the motor. So if the motor gets too hot, you can start seeing the sun encroaching on that case right there. It does get a little bit warm. So if the motor gets too hot, there is a thermal protection built into them so that they do not damage themselves. So we're going to take off today. It's a little bit warm and we're a little bit winded. So if you want us to do something like this for you, or you can reach us at blinddepotdfw.com or give us a call at 972-644-9411. And if you don't know what that DFW stands for, you are probably not in our service area. So we're going to go try to get cool, and y'all have a great afternoon.